Now let us see how this matplotlib can be used for plotting. So to get start, the first thing is to install the package matplotlib onto our Python, and then we need to import this matplotlib. Then for creating plots, it may be a function like plot, scatter, bar. Then we can add labels, we can add title, and even we can add legend. So PLT here is something comes with the matplotlib. So we can plot the points into a curve using function plot, or we can see the relationship between two variables through scatter, or if the input is categorical, then we can go for bar, and each of these plots can have appropriate labels, title, legend, and so on. So here, after importing, we create the plot, and we must say to display the plot. So for displaying the plot, we use show instruction. So here is an example. So here we are importing matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. So the pyplot is a part of matplotlib package and module. This module we call as PLT in short, because every time matplotlib.pyplot typing this becomes difficult, so we give a label to that as PLT. So in future we can just use PLT to represent the matplotlib.pyplot. Secondly, if we are doing some numerical activities, therefore we import numpy, and the similar way we say that in future we refer numpy as np. Okay, so here we are generating data. So data generation, we have two parts. X is creating a line space. That means we are creating from 0 to 2 pi. So from 0 to 2 pi, that is one complete cycle, and this cycle consists of 100 points, equally evenly distributed 100 points between 0 and 2 pi. And for each of these points, x, sine of x is computed, and that is called y. So y is np dot sine x. X is a series of values, or it's a vector, starts from 0, goes up to 2 pi, and there are totally n numbers which are spread evenly across this range. Then we start creating the plot. We say use a plot instruction, plt.plot. What is there on x-axis? X, that is 0 to 2 pi 100 points. And what is there on y-axis? The 100 values, which is equal to sine of x, and there we give a label sine of x. Then we have along x-axis we put a label x, along y-axis we put a label y. These are the two next instruction, plt.x label, plt.y label. Then total our figure is given a title sine function, and to appear all these things we say legend. Then you want a grid to be shown, so we say plt.grid as true. So here we all create the plot, and finally we say plt.show. Only after this instruction is executed, the whole plot will be made available onto the screen. till this plt.show is executed, we are just creating the figure and all that, but not presenting on the screen. So if we run this program, what we get is this particular plot. So here it says value is from 0 to 2 pi. So 2 pi means 6.3. So 0 to 6.3 it goes, and this 0 to 6.3 range is divided into 100 points, and for every point sin x is calculated. So at pi by 2 we find sin x is equal to 1, and at 3 pi by 2 sin x is equal to -1. At 0 it is 0, at 180 or sin pi is 0, and sin 2 pi is again 0. So that way neat sine wave is presented here, and you can see how well it is presented. And if we just insert this into any technical paper or book, we get a very wonderful quality of print. So that's one example about how to plot